BMW will stop making internal combustion engines at Munich plant by 2024. The plant won't make internal combustion engines, but will continue to assemble ICE-powered cars. 1 second before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. BMW to move their internal combustion engines production to other plants. BMW has decided to phase out their internal combustion engines from their main plant in Munich by 2024. The IC engines currently being produced in Munich will now be made in their Austria and UK plants. The ICE engines currently made in Munich will be produced in BMW's factories in Austria and the UK in future, production chief Milan Nedeljkovic said, though cars using the engines will still be assembled at the Munich plant. Still, by 2023 at least half the vehicles produced in Munich would be electrified, either battery electric or plug-in hybrid, the company said. The i4 battery electric car was made on a joint assembly line with ICE and hybrid models such as the BMW 3 Series sedan and Touring, the company said, a shift that cost €200 million, $233 million, of investment in production infrastructure. A similar mixed assembly line is already underway at the automaker's Dingolfing plant, which produces the BMW iX alongside hybrid and ICE models. The new model will be prioritized in decision-making over where to allocate scarce chips, the plant chief Peter Weber said. The company was well stocked in other raw materials, Nedeljkovic added. However, cars using IC engines will continue to be assembled in their Munich plant. The German luxury car maker claims that by 2023, half of the vehicles produced in their main plant would be electrified, battery electric or plug-in hybrid. If any market bans internal combustion engines in the near future, the company says they would be ready with an all-electric car. They have set a target of 50% of new global sales to be electric by 2030. BMW internal combustion engines to be produced in Austria and UK, while Munich will focus on electric. To accommodate the new electric lineup, BMW has invested $233 million in their production infrastructure. They are also coming up with a mixed assembly line at their Dingolfing plant. The German carmaker has also committed to reduce emissions from logistics at their Munich plant to zero in the coming few years by using rail transport and battery-powered trucks to transport their vehicles. However, they haven't given any specific timeline. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.